Commission loophole review. So hey there, this is Mazaria from mazaranga.com and welcome to my commission loophole review. So in this video I'll be running you through a quick demo about this product called commission loophole, and I'm into the members area of commission loophole. And this product is launched by Glenn Kosky, and this product will go live at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on 23rd of August. That's today, right? So we are into the members area. As you can see, in a nutshell, commission loophole will enable you to create squeeze pages, and it also have built-in products so that you can give those products for free to your buyer subscribers or customers, and you can get their email lists in return so that you can build your email list. And as you guys know, because it's very important for you to build your email list to survive in online marketing business, right? So this is basically inbuilt in that, and it also have a ton of traffic trainings, and this is basically a software come training product. So this is everything in this commission loophole software come training product. So I'll be explaining you this in a quick minute, but before that I have also put together a ton of custom bonuses if you want to pick commission loophole via my link, which is right below in the description of this YouTube video if you're watching this via my YouTube channel. So let's have a look at my bonuses first. So basically I'm going to give you access to Jono Armstrong basically is my mentor, and he has created this product called the lockdown formula during the COVID period, right? So I'm going to give you access to the lockdown formula. So basically lockdown formula is an info product, and it also helps you to create squeeze pages. It also has a software in it that will help you to create some exciting and good looking squeeze pages so that you can grab good amount of email lists from your buyers, subscribers and clients, right? So that is my bonus number one, and I'm going to give you access all for free. Okay, so bonus number two is I'm going to give you access to Jono's headlines hack. So basically this is a high quality tutorial put together by Jono Armstrong himself, and this will help you basically to how to write some compelling headlines that you can grab your attention of your buyers, subscribers or customers, right? So my bonus number three is I'm going to give you access to Jono's mobile course. So basically mobile course is created, it's a course, a small course created by Jono Armstrong, and I'm going to give you access for that course all for free as well, right? And this is a special bonus, so pay attention for this. This is just for first 12 hours only. So this product launches on 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and once it does, just go and grab this as soon as possible, because Nova will help you to get free traffic from TikTok. Okay, so TikTok is trending these days, it's trending like hell, right? So you can get good amount of traffic from TikTok, and basically you can just link this traffic and send this traffic to this product, to this commission loophole software, where you can give free products or services to your customers, and right, and you can get email lists in their email in return, right? So basically this will help you to generate some good amount of email lists, and later that will help you to good amount of sales, right? It will help you in generating good amount of money later. Okay, so bonus number five is I'm going to give you access to all these special bonuses, all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you guys if you want to pick commission loophole via my link, which is right below in the description of this YouTube video, right? So these are the five bonuses that are worth of thousands of dollars, and I'm going to give you access to all this all for free, and with just the front end price of commission loophole pro, that is for $17 only, right? So in this $17 you get access to all my five bonuses that I'm going to give you for free, and you get access to commission loophole pro software and training modules, okay, just for $17, right? So how to grab these bonuses is pretty simple. So just go and click the link in the description first of all. That will take you to the bonus page of mine that looks something like this. Just go and click on any one of these yellow buttons, okay? That will take you to the sales page of commission loophole that looks something like this again. So just go and click here to get instant access, this yellow button, and go and make a purchase of $17. And once you make a payment, just go to your Warrior Plus dashboard, hover over your username, click on purchase history. That will take you to a receipt page that looks something like like this. Okay, click on this access affiliate bonus blue tab, and all my bonuses will be delivered to you instantly and all for free of cost, right? So that's pretty simple. And if you have still any doubts, make sure to comment me in the comment section below so that I can answer you instantly. Okay, so there are a few upsells as well. Okay, let me explain you that as well. So the upsell number one is unlimited version, that's for $67, and a downsell of $37. So you get all the details about these upsells in the sales page area. Okay, you can just go and have a look and feel free to roam around in your own sweet time. This is just a small gist about this product. Okay, upsell number 2 is 100% done for you, that's $97 and a downsell of $47. Upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic again for $97 and a downsell of $47. Upsell number 4 is automation, that is for $67 and a downsell of $37. Upsell 5 is ATM, I don't know what's that, that's for $197 and a downsell of $47. Upsell 6 is unlimited ultimate $197 and a downsell of $47 again. And upsell number 7 is you get license rights to commission loophole, that's for $67 and a downsell of $37. So basically, if you are on a budget, I'll just recommend you to go with the front end price only. But if you have something in your pocket, okay, so that you can spend it for your online business, you can just go with upsell number 4, that's automation, or upsell number 2, that is 100% done for you, right? So I also put together some key benefits. Okay, key benefits about this product, and also everything about this product, what will it do for you, right? So what's Commission Loophole Pro all about? So Commission Loophole is the world's first ever cloud-based app that provides you with the tools and resources you need to crush on online as a super affiliate in 2021. The app taps into a convert underground loophole that allows you to create your very own cash campaigns stuff with your affiliate links. So I'll be explaining that in a quick minute. That can then be mass promoted to billions of people on the internet with a secret traffic source. Within 60 seconds, you could have your first ever cash campaign up and running, ready to be blasted with some of the hottest buyer traffic online. The Commission Loophole app plus the system has enabled us to generate paydays of over $500 plus per day, every day for years, right? So basically, this is everything about Commission Loophole, and I've explained you the front end and all the upsells as well. Okay, so make sure to check this and go and grab this before the countdown timer hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will expire and you won't get access to any one of the bonuses. And this is something I don't want you to miss on, right? So because I have a very insane deal for you guys. So now let me take you to the sales page. So the sales page of Commission Loophole looks something like this. Okay, just go and roam around this sales page. There are a few income proof about this product, the people who have beta tested this product and they have just got this amount of results. Okay, a few screenshots, income proof. Just scroll down, and this is the guy behind this product, Glenn Kosky. Now let me show you my the vendor bonuses that I just explained you before. So let's see how many bonuses is vendor offering as well. Okay, as you can see, the income proof about Commission Loophole, people who have used Commission Loophole, right? So where are you bonuses? Yes, there. Yes. Yes, where are you? Bonuses. Yeah, you're there. So after that, you get bonuses, Commission Loophole app. Okay, and these are the bonuses, campaigns done for your campaigns. So sorry, the bonuses are here. You can just have a look over here. Bonus number 1 is zero cost daily method. Bonus number 2 is automated affiliate checklist, a day in 7 days. I don't know what that means. uh, First day in the next 16 minutes. Okay, so all the four bonuses from the vendors and four bonuses from me, just for $17 front end price. Okay, now let me take you to the dashboard. That's the members area of commission loophole. That looks something like this. So this is the dashboard, and welcome video by Glenn and his team. This once you click on tutorials, you have all the training products, training modules about how to get this product going. Okay, your products, basically you can just click on over here, and you can add your products and your link, affiliate links as well, right? So product name, free traffic, how to make money, profit with crypto. Just you need to go and edit, or just add as per your, just click on create new and just go and create your own product and enter your affiliate link. Okay, just go and give it to your wire subscribers for free, and you can just start making good amount of money with that. Your campaigns done for you products. So basically this is done for you by the vendor himself. Okay, it is done for you. Get these two type of, there are many more as well, right? So these are the done for you campaigns, done for you products that the vendor has given us. Okay, so the bonus campaign as well. Okay, in the bonus campaign there is a high converting offer from ClickBank, that is the 12-minute affiliate system. This is really pricing on ClickBank, right? So you can just go and enter your affiliate link in this, and you can just generate some good amount of money with this. So free traffic and all the upgrades, just as I just mentioned you earlier, these are the upsells. You can just go and have a look at these. Okay, in your own sweet time. Upgrades, help and upgrade. This is basically the support system about for commission loophole. This is pretty insane good, right? So that's it from my bonus campaign, and that's it from my commission loophole review. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have any queries or doubts regarding this product and anything about the launch or the bonuses, just mention me in the comment section below. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, go and hit the bell icon and click the like button you have liked this video. Okay, first, and hit the bell icon for all the instant notifications, so that once I post any type of review videos, you get instant notifications, right? And subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, if you have any comments, make sure to write in the comment section below. And that's it from my commission loophole review. See you into the next one. Take care. Bye.